That's it. Should be moving. You can hold it still with my hand. It'll be like that. Fix that problem. Charlie here, CSA Appliance, CSA Universal Services. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the IE error code on the LG washing machine front loader. This is a common problem on one of these machines. And on the specific machine, I have already replaced one of the valves. It was really bad. This is what causes that error code. This is what can cause it right here. It's a bad inlet valve. This is where your water hose hooks up. Right there. That's the cold water valve right here. It's a 3-valve, 3-solenoid valve. Right here, this is for the cold water. It was trickling water into the washing machine tub, barely filling up, very slow fill. So it gave the IE error code on this machine. And we unplug the machine and we'll get to it real quick. We're gonna unscrew these screws right here. In the back. I take the one on this side. This is where it goes, like that. And you got the 2 screws that go right on top, like that. Because of time limits and stuff like that, we're gonna go ahead and. So now I'm taking the top off. The machine, you just slide it off right there. That's the valve that I replaced right there. It's the new one. Now we're gonna do the hot water valve also, which is this one. So we gotta turn the hot water off. Or drill. Those. Like that. Put this up. We got the new part right here. We'll go ahead and open this up. It's the new one right here. We'll go ahead and put it up here. Disconnect this. And we'll get the pliers and take this off. That looks right there. Here's the new one. We'll get the new one. Just like this. Get the hose. Put the hose on there. That. And make sure everything's nice and dry. want to have nothing wet up here, so don't mess nothing up when we start it up. Just like that. You can screw this back on. Turn your water back on. Make sure there's no water leaks. Looks good. Feel like everything is good, no water leaks. Make sure your cord is nice and dry. Plug it in. And start your machine. Put it on quick wash. And you're good to go. Select whatever cycle you want. You're good to go. Press the start. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.